is construction worker.
Jacob, are you a construction worker?
Yeah. Like 5 years old can do this.
Wow. Hey, is this what you want to do for a living?
Yeah.
Sounds good to me. Yeah, keep going. Fill it all the way up. Good job. Oh, one more at least. One more. All the way full. There you go. Perfect. You did it perfect?
Yeah.
And now Clea, Cyrus, and Ari are going to help you.
It's the bucket is dancing.
So the sand over here, yeah, it was a big pile. I helped move a little bit of it, and then Jacob helped, and then of course Chloe is the man. So he sifts it like this, gets out all the big rocks. I was told that if the big rocks go into underneath the tile, that'll cause the tiles to crack. So he just got some screen, put a few boards together, hung it from the basketball hoop that he fixed, and instant nice sand. So there's the pile of rocks that he took out of it. So there's just not too much left over there. I shoveled some, but I tell you what, after moving about a third of that pile, just pretty much just filling the buckets, he was hauling them. I'm so sore. So I'll leave that heavy work to somebody that's 5 years older than me. Jeez. It's a difference between somebody sitting at a desk every day and somebody that's physically active.